Welcome to the 28th episode of Dividend Investing Insights, your one stop for all things dividend investing. Join us as we explore high yield shares, dividend growth strategies, and portfolio management techniques to maximize your investment returns. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future with the power of dividends. In the episode today, we'll continue to look at the portfolio that we have built and see as to how it has performed in the last 1 week. However, like always, we will start with a quick recap of the markets. Um, S&P 500 went down by 71 points or 1.2% higher. Nasdaq 2 went up by 393 points or 2% higher. Here locally in Australia, the ASX 200 also went up by 153 points or 1.83% to end at 8,532.3 points. However, as I have always said, stock prices and share markets will go up and down all the time. However, you as an investor should focus on shares that have the ability to pay dividend now, increase the dividend in future, and the companies are fundamentally strong that will ensure that your investments are safe, secure, and grow periodically. However, let's look at the portfolio that we have built. We first bought Keurig Dr. Pepper, 50 shares at 37.46, JP Morgan Chase, 10 at 210.5 per share, AT&T 100 shares at 21.91, CVS Health 30 at 60.3, and lastly Unilever PLC 33 shares at 61.32 for a total investment of $10,002.76. And that's what we are after. So we have invested $10,000. Now let's see what's the current portfolio value of this portfolio. So KDP is currently trading at 32.1 for a portfolio value of say 1605. JP Morgan Chase has increased significantly. It's currently trading at 261.3. AT&T is also trading higher at 23.73. CVS Health has almost got back to the levels from where it dropped to be trading at 56.48. And lastly, Unilever PLC is currently trading at 57.38 for a total portfolio value of 10,238.94. However, that's not all. We had past dividends that we have cash in hand 98.9. And JP Morgan Chase also paid out dividend last week at 1.25 per share. So we've got $12.5 from there as well, which gives us a total portfolio value of 10,350.34. And I expect this to, while this is 3% higher than our investment, I expect this to grow at probably 12 to 15% at the end of the year, and you will see that happening. Now let's put it graphically. So while until a couple of weeks ago we were trending below the blue line, which is our investment, we have now moved northward and look forward to moving further north as time progresses. Now, KDP has been one of the stock that has not been performing well in our portfolio. It has been trading at something like 20% lesser than what we had invested in. So as a measure, we just looked at a simple moving average and we have applied a 20-day moving average to see as to what could be the performance of KDP vis-a-vis the moving average. So when we had bought somewhere towards end of September or October, the simple moving average were higher, and then it went down, and it had been consistently being down. The company continues to be strong. In the last couple of weeks, we have seen the 20-day moving average falling below the current share price, which is a good sign. And this, incidentally, is a sign that the share price will move higher. However, we'll continue to track it, see if there is any update from the business that indicates that the strategy is changing or something is risky with this company. For now, we'll continue to hold it and track the simple moving average. However, before we end, like always, have a look at the upcoming dividends. AT&T is paying out 27.75 on 3rd of February. We'll claim that next week. CVS Health will pay out 66.5 cents per share on 2nd of March. Both these companies have retained the dividend from the previous quarter. Unilever PLC is still not announced for JFM, January, February, March. So we'll wait for that. And as we come to the episode, putting up the dividend investing checklist again, do you understand the company's business? What's the dividend and dividend yield for the current year? What's the average dividend for the past 5 years? What is the payout ratio? What is the price to earning ratio? What is the price to book ratio? Does the company have year on year revenue growth? Does the company have year on year profit growth? Does the company have positive cash flow? Use this to make your investments and build your wealth one dividend at a time. Thank you very much for watching and look forward to seeing you in another episode of Dividend Investing Insights.